Hello everyone, welcome. In the recent years, SEBI has taken multiple steps to protect the retail investors, but in the recent months, SEBI has released two circulars. Today we are going to see about that. So SEBI has released a circular called Technical Glitches Reporting for the Brokerages on November, and it has released another circular called IRRA platform on December. So today we are going to see about both of those. Okay. So coming to the first circular, we can see a money control article which detailedly shows the issues framework, which will get the technical glitches from the stockbroker. So let's say a stockbroker ends up in an error and he doesn't let you to square off your position and all. He has to report to the SEBI platform, uh, and he will be held accountable. So you don't have to go through all of the content. Just look at the highlighted one. It says further the broker must submit a preliminary report on the event within 24 hours and the root cause analysis within 14 days. This will make the trading brokerages in India much more responsible, and they have to be compliant at all level. And making them being responsible and making them report back to SEBI is one of the first steps SEBI has taken to protect the retail investors. Okay, so the next step it has taken was to introduce a platform called IRRA. So SEBI has released a circular on December 30th regarding this. If you see over here, IRRA means Investor Risk Reduction Access. As it mentions, it is primarily focused on retail investors. Okay, so you don't have to go through all of these. The primary responsibility of the IRRA platform is that if the brokerage is actually having an error and they are not letting you square off your open position, you can log into IRRA service using an OTP, just like how you get into a broking terminal, and close your open positions. Or you can you might have open positions and you can cancel them also using the IRRA platform. Okay, and it is primarily focused on look at the point 3.9. It is primarily focused on reducing the risk of the investor who is the retail investor over here. Okay, and to show you a visual uh, architecture of how the IRRA platform will look like, let me show you. So this is the current architecture. So the traders will place their orders in brokerages. So Zerodha will take the Zerodha or Upstock will take the order and place it in NSE, and they will monitor the order in their terminal, and traders will just take a look at it. So if Zerodha fails, they don't have any access to the NSE. I mean their open positions, so they might end up with losses. So what IRRA architecture will do is it will give you another terminal which will have access to NSE and BSE directly, and it will be incorporated with a lot of fail-safe mechanisms. So you don't have to worry about IRRA platform failing. And whenever the brokerage service like Zerodha or Upstock fails, you can just log into IRRA platform and close your open positions and square off your loss-making positions. And to just to give a hint to all the ones who are wondering, if the brokerage actually has failed and you are logging into IRRA platform and closing your positions, and let's say you are in a loss, no, the trading the NSE or BSE aggregator, the business aggregators or the brokerages will not be responsible for the losses you will incur. So anyways, you're not going to get back your money, but anyways you can maybe reduce your losses using IRRA platform. Thank you, that's it from my end. And if you have found this video useful, please subscribe I always talk about stock market data analysis, algorithmic trading, and predictive model building in this channel. So, hope to see you again. Thank you.